How do you spot a billionaire's playground in Lagos? Just look at where the Igbo billionaires are putting all of their plenty money. For a second, I just wish that Ndi Igbo would channel all of this energy, this wealth, this plenty money that they're channeling to Lagos down to the east. So, just recently, celebrity barman and nightlife king Kubana Chief Priest just secured a multi-million naira villa inside the ultra-exclusive Periwinkle lifestyle estate in Lekki Phase 1. That's the same estate nicknamed the Billionaire's Destination. And they did not name it the Billionaire's Destination for nothing, because indeed, the billionaires live here, especially Igbos. And honestly, it's not just hype. This estate, this particular one you're seeing right now, is in a class of its own. Top-notch security, luxury architecture, breathtaking waterfront views. The works, it's home to Nigeria's wealthiest. And guess who is behind this masterpiece? None other than the Anambra billionaire, Dr. Chiedu A. Mweke, the Anambra-born real estate mogul and visionary chairman of Orange Island. Cubana's new villa, oh my goodness, it's screaming luxury. It's everything you'd expect from Nigeria's most flamboyant socialite. Private cinema, massive living area, lush garden, swimming pool, and of course, that signature luxury touch. Man is living the dream, as you all can see. Now, here's where it gets even more interesting. Just 2 days ago, Kubana Chief Priest dropped this particular video passionately promoting the estate, more like a promo video, telling fans to invest now and calling it the Billionaire Destination. In his words, only real estate will save you. That's deep, coming from someone whose brand revolves around champagne and nightlife. So we are asking, is Kubana Chief Priest now the unofficial ambassador of Periwinkle Residences? It's giving brand partnership energy. Let's hear from you in the comments. Do you think he signed an endorsement deal with these people, or is it just genuinely in love with its new investment and trying to support his Igbo brother? One thing is very clear. Igbo billionaires like Dr. Mweke are transforming the face of real estate in Nigeria, and investors like Cubana are riding the wave big time. So, if you've ever dreamed of joining the league of high-end property owners, this estate might just be calling your name. But like I said, I really wish this same thing can come down to the east. What do you all think? Let me know in the comments.
So this is Oxygen Condos by Periwinkle. These condos was delivered at 2-bedroom, about 70 million per one. But as I'm talking to you, it's about 300 million. That's what's up with real estate, and people are paying rent of about 25 million to get about 3 bedroom and about 20 million for 2 bed. So Periwinkle is top notch with high rise, villas, terraces. I'm already getting tired from the tour of real estate, but I'll show you the new one going on where you can actually subscribe and be part of this amazing. Got some amazing flats coming up. 2 bed, 3 beds, selling out fast. So look at the serenity of the estate. So just like you said, this is the Billionaire's destination. There is access road from here to reach inside the condos. Matter of fact, Orange Island was found by Periwinkle. There's another access route into the Billionaire's destination. The Billionaire's destination. That's where we are.